6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, somebody send it to 6, 7, 1, 2, into transition, which is simply a Coca-Cola. Guys, turn, switch hands into friends. 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Into, I think we do this as well. Yes. Yeah. To the ideas for abajo. 5, 6, 7. Into shoulder check. 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Okay, so that was combo 1. And then we did besito largo. I'll do the full besito largo. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 2. That's the full besito largo. I did not make it up, so I'm ready. 1, 2. Then we did the complicado. 1, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, into derecha, y al revés, sorry. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. And lastly, dedo, fancy, whatever, with the styles, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 1. Go. Can somebody send this to the group? 5, 6, 7, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and just regular 5, 6, 7. Did I kill him? Cool. Miami. 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. You know, Simona, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6. You're looking.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. The carnival unisex starts like Setenta. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Turn around for a beats, back rock and shoe flaw, drape over the guy rocks in, and cross body lead. Starts like beso, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, this is 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to do especial. Move left, move right, turn her around, guy rocks in, bum bum bum, bum bum bum, bum bum bum, bum bum bum, and cross body lead. Poquito como la. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Guy rocks in and cross.
Shoulder check. Obviously comes from ladies on the right. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6. They can all do a shoulder check especial or whatever. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, do that again now. And go out to read. 3, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7. Press up. 1, 2, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. What else? So we did Montana with style. 5, 6, 7. Tanya. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7. Okay, give me a second. 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, toss, 6, 7, exhibela, 6, 7. What else did we do? Classical. So, adios con mi hermana, 6, 7, ronde, 6, 7, into exhibela, enchufa, cuchitero, 6, 7. Here we do Glen, 6, 7, into Coca-Cola, pasea, 2, 3, da vacila vuelta. Okay? Holding stuff off, yeah, I am 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. I didn't show you that, but yeah, in the video. 6, 7, exhibit 6, 7, again. 6, 7, hit 2, 6, 7. So I'll just do this a couple of times. So for the point of support options, so go just keep doing it if you don't mind. 6, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Keep doing it. Kick 6, 7. It's fun. 2, 3. Keep doing it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Bring it over. Okay? You guys get the idea. So different options as far